Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. This is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. I'm heading out today. We have officially been done with March. First 3 months of the year just went past so fast. I'm very sure everyone's having a wonderful time, and if you're not, have faith. Hold on to your faith and let's see what the rest of the year holds for all of us. So I'm just gonna be priming up my face. So let's just start with toner. The toner I'm gonna be using is by Fresh. It's a deep hydration facial toner. I don't have any cotton within my arm's reach. I'm just going to use my finger and it all in. I'll be moving on to serum. The serum that I'm going to be using is by PIXI, and this is their botanical collagen and retinol serum. Or just taking a bit of drops in the palm of my hand, warm it up, push it in. Let this set. And the next is this. I stand by this product by Estée Lauder. Wanted to get another bottle of this during the Sephora sale recently. It was out of stock and I'm waitlisted. This works. Again, it may vary from skin to skin type. For me, this worked. Like, I have really big open pores on my cheek, and this is going to be my third bottle. You don't need to use a lot. A tiny amount goes a long way. So it actually stays with me for a long time. And I'm just going to take 1 pump. I like to tap my face. When I was in Korea and we went off to Sulwhasoo, the ladies were like, always do tapping motion. Wake up all the blood cells and capillaries underneath your skin for better absorption of the product. So once this is done, I'm going to move on with this. This is your Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. You can use this in the daytime. I have problem area that I feel underneath. Who doesn't? As long as you're a living person, you're bound to have lines underneath your eyes. Just take a little bit, like there. This is my first time to use low recipes in a night cream. As you are getting older, you need retinol to do magic. So this is another product you can actually use in the day and at night, so no issue. And also the misconception, like if you use retinol products you can't go out under the sun, but since these products are, you're able to use it in the day, just put on sunblock. It's raining really heavily. I mean, if you guys can see behind, but you still have to use your sunblock. It's almost evening time, and then I'm not gonna skip out on my sunblock, and I'm gonna seal everything in with my moisturizer. This is by Fresh. It's a deep hydration face cream. I stay indoor at most times, even when we are going out to the malls, everything is indoor. So you need something, like if you have dry skin at selected places, like I do have dry skin like on my cheeks. And don't forget your neck. And what I like to do is not to waste products, rub it on your fingers. Why not? I mean, these things aren't cheap. And last of all, this is my sunblock. One thing I love about this BIORE UV, it has SPF 50+, is that it's watery base. I think it's more than enough in Singapore, and this is cheaper in Malaysia, but unfortunately thanks to COVID-19 I have not stepped into Malaysia for the longest time. So yeah, there you go. It was really fast, really simple skincare, and now I'm gonna be moving on to makeup.